Happy Freebie Friday, my friends! Welcome to my channel. My name is SilynthiaC, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SnC Budgets and Blogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below, so you can grab them if you'd like. All right, you guys. This is the last Freebie Friday. Whatever I save today is what we're working with. I was thinking continue on and complete the savings challenges, whatever you need to do. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to work on these savings challenges. Once they're completed, we're going to count up the cash and see what we have. I didn't get smaller bills, and then I was looking through my other binders, and I don't have the change I need. So what I decided I would do is see what I can do in terms of how much did we save already, and how we can get the cash from here. Let's see. All right, so this one should have $15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. And then we're just going to grab 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're just going to add, I'm going to put this back in here. And I'm just going to, I thought I grabbed a paper clip because I was thinking I'll just paper clip the cash on the outside. Yep. Here we go. All right. So I took it from 2 envelopes, because I'm a thief. Not really, but what are we doing? So we got to pull this cash out. So I'm not saying we're going to finish any more of these savings challenges. Whatever happens, that's okay. But let me make sure this is 20 bucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It is $20. So it's nice to be able to rotate the ones out, and you know, when I'm saving and all of this stuff, but I'm limited. I only have so many ones at home, and then I'm like, oh man, I don't have the other denominations. So I do want to at some point be my own bank. But right now I'm just doing the best I can. Let's see, I have a couple of savings challenges that need to be worked on that have not been completed. So what we can do, yes, these 3 are complete. Let's set this off to the side. And so we have 1, 2, 3. We have 4 savings challenges that we're still working on. So let's roll the dice and see what we can do. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. This is 5, but this one only needs $2. So we completed a savings challenge. Boom. Okay. And I'm not, should I see? No, let's just do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1. Oh, well, it says 6, but we only have $2 left, and we're going to go ahead and drop it right there. Now, mind you, like I said, whatever is in here is what we are going to go ahead and count up for today. I'm perfectly fine with not completing any of the savings, all of the saving challenges. I was going to say any of them. I want some of them completed, and we did do that. But whatever we can do is what my plan is every single week. And at the end of this video, we're going to count up all the cash. But this savings challenge is from Mom She Queen, and we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 today. So we have 2, 4, and 6. It should have saved me $25 if I would have completed it, and I did not. That's okay, because we saved a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13, which is $13 more than I would have saved if I didn't do this savings challenge. All right, and this savings challenge is Happy Independence Month, which savings challenge I made, and we're adding $2, which will complete this savings challenge. 1 and 2. I like to mark it off, show my progress. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12 completed. Perfect. I'm just going to leave this one here just in case some of them don't need this much money. Oh, knocked my marker down. Okay, I'm pretty sure they were bigger numbers, so we're just going to go with it. 1, 2, 3, $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I just needed $1 more, and this savings challenge would have been completed. So close. Oh, that's so awesome, though. Okay, let's see here. This savings challenge is from the Nightlife, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19. Awesome. All right, and this savings challenge is getting $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. And this one is from Cash Money Budgets. And I said 8, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Look at that. Dang it. One more dollar. That's all right. Oh. I worked on 7 savings challenges this month. So for Freebie Fridays. I'm working on 10 for Hot Girl Summer collaboration. And then my Christmas bingo for the SnC Budget Creations collab. So I'm working on a lot of savings challenges right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. $21. Oh, so awesome. Okay, so at this point, we've only completed one more. I'm not even going to say only because that is selling myself short. We completed one more savings challenge. Oh, I don't need to put that back in there because we're going to count up this cash. And I was looking for my calculator. I don't know what the heck I did with it. I have another phone beside me. Let's see. I have another phone beside me. We'll have to use this phone for my calculator. And so let's pull out my other savings challenges really quickly because I want you to know where I got them from. What's happening? Why are you turning off already? Oh, you're trying to do something else. Good thing I'm not watching anything inappropriate on that phone, huh? All right, so let's see here. We have this savings challenge from the Frugality is Life, and I did save a total of $8 from this savings challenge, but we pulled some money to make that change. Let's do this. This savings challenge I got from Kayla Evergreen Budgets. Okay, how are we going to do this? Because we need to... Okay, I'm not going to worry about it. And this savings challenge is another savings challenge that I made. And let's find the calculator. And what we'll do is, I'm not going to go through all of them again because we did go over which savings challenge we got from each person. So I'm just going to throw the cash together and get these envelopes out of the way. I'm not prepared and I'm not, okay, notifications. People don't want to know your business, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. All right. So I did try to every single week, like how I'm working my other savings challenges, a minimum of $20 is what I was hoping for, and I was able to accomplish that. But let's see, we have savings challenges. I just want to go ahead and set them up so you can see them because they are some cuties. All right, and then let's count up all of our cash. So we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. I saved $100. I saved $100. Okay. Now, was it easy? No. It was not easy at all. But I'm glad I did it. I'm so glad that I did it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Kind of shaking. $100 is a pretty big deal. It's like I said, I have other savings challenges going. I have other goals that I'm working on. So this is very exciting for me. Okay. When you come back to me, I think I have, let me see. I think I have, I didn't even need my calculator. Look at that. I have a couple 20s. I have a couple 20s over here. So I'm going to go ahead. We have 2 there. I think I separated it by 20s. Let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's 20. Where are my... Just wanted to grab a couple of these paper clips because... Okay, and we're adding one more $20 bill. I think I might have more 20s in my safe for future cash stuffing, but we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so Christmas in July, definitely a success. I'll have to find a couple more bills. I think I have 20s in my safe, but I don't feel like getting it all out and making sure we got it together. But what we'll do is we make sure that this $100 is ready to go for our cash stuffing at the end of the month. So be on the lookout for that. It will be in combination with my Christmas bingo that I'm trying to finish up. That way we'll know exactly how much cash we have going in that one. You guys, $100, hard work. I didn't complete all of my savings challenges, but we made great progress. So I'm very, very excited about that. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching and coming back every Friday. It's been great to see all the people doing Christmas in July themes. So fun. Mine's not very exciting, but I'm very excited to just be participating in. Last year I wanted to do it, but here we are. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.